What's up guys, Avi here, and today we're talking about connecting this gimbal to your Sony camera with the cable provided and what kind of functionality you can expect from these controls. Let's get started. First, you're going to jump into your camera menu, go to setup page 4, choose USB connection and change that to PC remote. Next, you're going to jump into your gimbal menu, choose camera and then choose Sony or whatever camera you're using. Switch it from off to on, check mark, you're good to go. Next, you're going to connect the camera with the cable provided. For Sony, we're going to use the USB to multi-USB connector. Make sure the camera is off before you connect it. Now you can turn your camera on and press record on the gimbal and the camera will start recording. You can also use the buttons on the control wheel for digital zooming. Sony claims that there's no loss in quality, and you can actually use this feature to create, wait for it, the vertigo effect. Alright guys, so thank you for watching the video so far. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you smash the like button before you leave, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let's get started on the effect. Okay, so essentially for the effect, you're going to walk towards the subject while digitally zooming out, or walk away from the subject while digitally zooming in. You don't need the gimbal to create this effect, but the gimbal does help with stabilization. You can also create this in camera handheld. Another thing you can do is combine the vertigo effect with the vortex. You get a spinning vertigo effect. It's a pretty awesome shot. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.